In order to find out how many cells in a certain range contain text, you can use the COUNTIF function. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of selecting the range and using the function to count cells with text. Let's begin. Here we have a basic sheet with a column of numbers. Click on to insert the formula. Click on any cell in your spreadsheet that is not filled in with data. Start off by pressing the equals key and type out COUNTIF and press the tab key to select the function. The function needs two pieces of information to work correctly: range and criteria. We first enter the cells you would like to check for the range section. In our cases, this is cells A1 to A10. We can select this by clicking in cell A1, keeping the left mouse pressed, and move the mouse down to cell A10 and let go. As you can see, this has selected this range. Now add a comma to move to the next section, which is the criteria, to count the number of cells that have text. We need to type a single asterisk within quotation marks in the criteria field. Now let's add a closing bracket. Hit the Enter key and you have the result here. As you can see, we have 0 cells with text. If we add text in any of the cells in our range, you will see the function will count this cell. The function is dynamic and auto-updates. Even if you add a text with numbers or a single letter, this will be counted. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.